Welcome to our GMP and food safety training. When you buy food in a supermarket, you're trusting that the manufacturer has created a product that not only tastes good, but also safe to eat. Similarly, our customers are relying on us to do the same for them. When foreign substances are present in the food that you're working with, it can lead to contamination. This not only risks making our customers sick, but also severely damage our company's reputation. That is why government agencies like the CFIA or the Canadian Food Inspection Agency and regulatory bodies that oversee the food and drug regulations have created guidelines that all food manufacturing companies must follow to reduce the risk of contamination. Why this training matters? This session is crucial for maintaining the high standards of quality and safety that our consumers expect from us. Today, we'll cover the fundamental principles of good manufacturing practices, or GMP, and essential food safety protocols. This training isn't just about rules regulations. It's about making sure every single bite of food that leaves our facility is a masterpiece of safety and quality. Think of GMP as a secret recipe for our success, ensuring our food is not only tasty, but also trusted.